My name's Kevin Jennings. I'm with Kenna Security. I am the Director of Sales Operations. So I run the sales operations from planning, forecasting, managing our pipeline funnel, onboarding. So the first day I destroyed our forecasting tool by updating real time during the call people's forecast. So that was my introduction to Kenna, by basically wiping out their forecast tool probably day 7. So we needed a better process. What forecasting tools are generally designed to do is report. And so you take your data out of Salesforce and it reports and it does all the roll-ups and it compares it against your goals, your quota, whatever it is you have set up. I've been doing this a lot of years. Never works well, because really what you want to do with forecasting is drive to the end goal. Is that your quota and your goal? Your forecast should try to drive what the steps are to get there. And so what Clari does is help us put that process together in an organized manner. We go all the way back and look at our pipeline creation. We have targets for that we use Clari and dashboards, so we can predict multiple quarters out if we're in trouble. It doesn't tell you what you're going to be at, but it points to, hey, you need to start looking at this and make corrections in enough time to actually impact what the end result is. And that's the goal. Because if you're just looking at your forecast and your end result, you can't change it. It's all done. So you got to work your way back up the process to impact it. That's how we use it today.